Hey, how's it going? And today I'm going to show you how to create a super easy teleportation effect, a teleporter basically. So to do this, we're just going to go into games, third person, and we'll just go create, and it'll just take a minute. I've been so into Fortnite lately, I haven't been doing that much in Unreal Engine, but I plan to be moving back into animation in Unreal. So anyway, to do this, all we're going to do is we're just going to right click and we're going to create a blueprint class, and it's going to be an actor class. We'll just leave it called new blueprint and we'll double click into it. It comes in weird like this lately in my system. I'll just dock it here, and for this we're just going to need a static mesh. So we're going to add static mesh right here. We can leave it called static mesh, and then we're going to add a capsule to this too for our collision, capsule collision. And with that selected, you can see on our static mesh we don't really have anything to see yet if we were to put this in the scene. So if we click on the static mesh, I can go here and search for just, let's say, a cylinder right here. And if I hit the space bar, I can click over here, hit the space bar, I can rotate this 90 degrees, and then we can just scale it down to make just like a platform there. And I notice my capsule's also kind of wonky now, so let me just turn it this way 180 degrees, and then we can just scale this up and out here a little bit. It looks upside down, everything's a little wonky right there, but that should work just fine. And we basically got this part of it set, and with the capsule selected I can hit compile and save. And with the capsule selected, I can go into the event graph, and now we're just going to go on event begin overlap. And to do this, there is actually, believe it or not, there is a effect called teleport. So if we just search for teleport, it comes right up here. And actually we don't need it connected, so I'm just going to hit Alt and left click. I'm going to get rid of this event tick, I don't need it. And so all we're going to do is create a target point, and that's where we're going to teleport to. And so to create that target point, we need to create a reference to it. So we're going to go into variables, and we'll just call this target. I'm going to turn off my caps. Target. And we're going to set this to an actor reference. So this is just going to be ACTO. Actor reference here, object reference, and this needs to be instance editable. So we click that. We'll compile and save that. And this is really interesting. If we drag this onto the scene, get that target, we can right click, and there's this convert to validated get. And basically this validates that this is a legitimate reference. So you don't have to use is valid, you can use this instead. And then what we're going to do is if we drag off of here, we just got to get the world transform, or the actor transform. So we'll search for actor transform, get actor transform, and believe it or not, we're like 90% done. We're just going to right click here and split this struct pin here, and then we just wire everything up. So this goes in here, this goes in there, this goes in here, and this goes in there. Whoops, this goes in here. And the last thing is we need to get this in here, so we can just drag it like that. But then we don't really want it going under this node, so we'll just double click here to make a reroute node and just do it like that. And there we go. We've got our whole logic set up. So we hit compile and save, come in here, and then we're going to drag this onto the scene, and I'll hit F to get down there. So this is our teleportation device here. And then wherever we want the person to teleport to, so let's say we want them to teleport up here. So up here under actors, we'll just drag and get a target point, and just drag this onto the scene right there, and this is be our teleportation. So with the blueprint selected in the scene, and it's called new blueprint, you'll see we should have the option here under default. I have it selected right. I should be able to set the target point here. Oh, right here where it says default target, we set it to our target point. And that's all we have to do. It's that simple. And then if we hit play, I'm in the scene. What should happen is when I walk on that little disc, I should end up over there. See, I'm over here. Cool, huh? Just like that. Yep, I am. I was thinking you could create almost like a looping effect, because you could keep teleporting back in like the same spot or something like that. But anyway, I hope you found this helpful, and take care and have a great day.